See, it's all up in here.
I know. Oh man.
You just woke up with it?
I woke up, it was lit, and then it just, yeah. I mean, what the heck's going on with it?
Alright. So it's isolated. See if it's coming from the neck. When I push down, does that increase the pain?
No.
Bring your head this way. Push down. Does that increase the pain?
No.
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 How about in there?
No.
How about there?
No.
Alright, let me see. So we hit all the pressure points, not come from the neck, not come from the shoulder, because you can get nerves that pinch up in here that will radiate in there. But this is just the hand.
Just right now, let me see all the feel. No, it's here. It hurts here, not there.
It just hurts the elbow. So you just have elbow injury too.
Oh yeah.
So you just have 2 injuries. Pain here, but not the hand. But the whole hand hurts.
Right here, yeah. It's right in it. Right in here.
Well, what did you do yesterday? Did you work out yesterday?
Yesterday I went to a funeral, and then the afternoon I played 2 games.
Alright, lay on your back. So the fact that your elbow and forearm hurt, I don't think it's radiating into the hand, but it shows that you have some inflammation in here. So when you have inflammation in here, it's going to block the circulation to the hand, and then the hand's going to jam up. So before we even work on the hand, we got to open up the wrist and forearm and do some fascia work. Is it too painful? Yeah, right in there. That's tremendous.
Well, when you squeeze it, it hurts my palm too.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. So if I'm pushing here and stretching the fascia and it goes into the palm, even though it's not a direct nerve radiation, it means the inflammation and fascial adhesions that you have in the forearm are affecting the biomechanics of the wrist and hand. So we come in here, we open up this first, loosen this stuff, get this flowing, and then we'll adjust the wrist and get the hand flowing. Sorry. You know it's only because I care. No. See, it's all up in here.
I know. Oh man.
Alright. It's gonna be a little painful. See what I mean?
Oh. Huh?
That's the key. It's so jammed up in there.
Oh.
But it's starting to move. Right there, bro.
Yeah.
So there's 2 types of radiation. You got the, like say you had a pinched nerve, that's one that will radiate to the hand. But when the whole hand hurts, then usually it's more of a biomechanical fascial radiation.
Stop.
You're doing great. How long has the forearm and elbow been like that?
A long time.
Yeah. Yeah, you sprained the wrist flexor tendons. But you have to take the fascia to the palm to open it up. How does that feel?
Feels good there, but it hurts where you have the...
Yeah, that I'm not worried about. We'll take those cups off, that will go away.
Yeah.
This is what we have to open. Oh yeah, right there. See that?
Yep.
So the fascia connects all the way from the elbow to here. How's that feel? Like this?
That's better.
Better? No. Good? Squeeze. Better?
Better than before.
Nice. So the inflammation here locks you up, then the fascia pulls, then you went and played the game, and then that sprains this tissue. So we open this.
Even though I didn't feel anything yesterday.
Doesn't matter.
I felt something like Saturday. My paddle was like, took it back and like inflamed it.
Because here's the thing. When this locks up, where's the movement going to take place? Right? So if you're moving your elbow and wrist, then this moves a little, this moves, like there's a certain flow, an energy flow to that. But if this is all tight, then all the force then comes into here. So after a while, you get all this repetitive motion, then you don't feel it. But the next day you wake up, boom, you're crushed. So we have to open this up, but you have to open this up or it's going to just keep happening. Better? Done?
That's better.
All right?
It's right here a little bit.
Yeah.
Well, I can work now. I can twist my screwdrivers.
Have a great day.